Literal equations. This simply means that we're using letters and numbers to solve an equation for a different letter. This equation we need to solve for D. 4DE minus F equals C. The first thing you should do is ask yourself how many terms are in the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to make yourself a little note out to the side. It's important to remember that however many terms you start with is how many you need to end with. Since we're solving for D, we need to figure out what are we doing first to D. 4DE means we are multiplying D by 4 and E. I'm going to make a little note. We're multiplying it by 4 and E together. The second thing we're doing is subtracting F. To solve for D, you do the inverse in reverse. You do it in reverse order. So the last thing is to subtract F. We're going to add F on both sides. Because this is not a linear equation, I'm not too concerned with doing the shortcut way. 4DE equals C plus F. This cancels out. The very first thing we do is multiply by 4E. So the last thing we do is divide by 4E. This cancels out, so D equals C plus F divided by 4E. Check to see how many terms you end with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next equation has us solving for B. Check how many terms you're starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the first thing we're doing to B? We are adding 3. After 3 is added, we divide by D. You do the inverse in reverse. So the inverse or opposite of dividing by D is multiplying by D. This cancels out. 3 plus B equals 9CD. The opposite of adding 3 is subtracting 3. B equals 9CD minus 3. How many terms did we end with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.